everybody, welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. Today we are going to change the battery on the BMW F650ST. Last time it was the Scarver we did something with, but now we have got the BMW F650ST back from the mechanic. And it is standing great and it is running like a sewing machine, but it needs a new battery and that has to be changed today, but we don't want to do it without you out there. So what do you say? Come with me in the garage and help me out together with my lovely wife Zakia. Let's go down there. Remember out there, you can buy the most cool biker t-shirts designed of me and my wife on Etsy. God's riders are free. They are very nice. You should check it out. I will leave a link to you down here and one in the description. Thank you. Okay guys and girls, let's do it. First we remove this one here, the seats. Then we are down. The battery is sitting down here. That will say we have to have this side piece off here. So that we do now. I have two places holding this piece of plastic. One here and one down here next to Zakia. Okay, we are into the battery. You have to remove this screw down here who is holding this piece here so we can get the battery out. Let's do it. I guess the mechanic have been in there who have just had it down to fix it, so he have not tightened this one so good. Okay, first you take the minus off. It's the black one, so you don't get punished of the battery. It was one. And then plus. Okay, we are in. Now we can take it out. If it will come out to me. And Zakia here. Thank you. So now we put the new battery in here. And my wife Zakia, she will screw them in because it's coming with so small screws and my fingers, they are destroyed. They cannot hold it. So that's Shakia's job. But that's also something she's good at. And you always start with the plus, because as long as the minus nut is on, nothing happens to you. It's in here? Yeah. Okay, then minus. Now, before we collect everything, we have to see if everything is good. So I turn on for the gasoline and for the motorbike, and let's see if it wants to start up. Yeehaw! So.
We don't need that one. All the plastic here is kaput.
Well. So now everything is collected good. Now we have to collect the side here. Listo. Okay, guys and girls, that was the new battery to our BMW F650ST. It was a gel battery we changed with the old water, so hopefully it can last for many years. If you have never done it before on your own BMW, then you can just follow our video and then you can do it yourself. It's a piece of cake and very easy. Everybody can change a battery. So until next time, I will be back.